Hello and welcome to Antrix Media, your go-to destination for all things finance. Today, we'll be discussing 10 ways to save money while buying a car. For most of us, buying a car is one of the most significant purchases we'll make in our lifetime. And while owning a car can be a great convenience, it's essential to be mindful of the costs associated with it. In this video, we'll explore 10 ways to save money while purchasing a car. Number 1. Research. The first and foremost step to save money while buying a car is to research. You need to know the type of car you want, its features, and most importantly, its price. It's always a good idea to compare prices of different cars from different dealerships to get an idea of what the market has to offer. You can even take help from online resources like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds to get an estimate of the car's worth. Number 2. Buy used car. One of the easiest ways to save money while buying a car is to buy a used one. Used cars cost significantly less than new ones, and you can even find some models that are barely a year old. When buying a used car, make sure to get it inspected by a mechanic before finalizing the deal. It's also essential to check the car's history to ensure that it hasn't been in any significant accidents or had any major repairs. Number 3. Consider financing options. Financing a car can help you spread out the cost over time, but it can also add to the overall cost of the car. When considering financing options, make sure to shop around for the best interest rates and terms. You can even consider getting pre-approved for a loan from your bank or credit union before going to the dealership. Number 4. Negotiate. Negotiation is key when buying a car. Dealerships are often willing to negotiate the price of a car, especially if it's a used one. Make sure to do your research beforehand and have a clear idea of what you're willing to pay. Be prepared to walk away if the price isn't right. Number 5. Avoid add-ons. Dealerships often try to sell add-ons like extended warranties or paint protection. While these may seem like a good idea at first, they can add up to the overall cost of the car. Before agreeing to any add-ons, make sure to research the cost and determine whether or not they're necessary. Number 6. Consider fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is an essential factor to consider when buying a car. Cars with good fuel efficiency can save you a significant amount of money on gas over time. Before finalizing your purchase, make sure to check the car's estimated gas mileage and factor that into your overall cost. Number 7. Buy at the end of the month. Dealerships often have sales quotas that they need to meet each month. Buying a car at the end of the month can give you leverage in negotiations, as dealerships may be more willing to make a deal to meet their quota. Number 8. Consider the total cost of ownership. The total cost of ownership includes more than just the purchase price of the car. You'll also need to factor in things like insurance, maintenance, and repairs. Before making a final decision, make sure to research the cost of ownership for the car you're considering. Number 9. Consider a lesser-known brand. Lesser-known car brands can often provide significant savings over more well-known brands. While they may not have the same level of prestige, they can still offer good quality at a lower cost. Number 10. Don't buy more car than you need. Finally, it's essential to consider your actual needs when purchasing a car. If you only need a car to get to and from work, there's no need to splurge on a luxury vehicle with all the bells and whistles. Consider what features you actually need and prioritize those over unnecessary extras that will only add to the cost. Conclusion. In conclusion, purchasing a car can be an expensive endeavor, but there are several ways to save money while still getting a reliable vehicle. Researching your options, buying used, negotiating, avoiding add-ons, and considering fuel efficiency are just a few of the ways to save money on your car purchase. Additionally, buying at the end of the month, considering the total cost of ownership, considering a lesser-known brand, and not buying more car than you need are all ways to keep the overall cost of ownership down. By following these tips, you can save money on your car purchase and still get a reliable vehicle that meets your needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Antrix Media.